Hello guys! Support us and subscribe to our channel. Give likes and write comments. Today we will read New Zealand Exploration Journey. Well, let's get started. New Zealand is a breathtaking country located in the southwestern Pacific Ocean. It is composed of two main islands, the North Island and the South Island, and several smaller islands. The country is famous for its diverse landscapes, which range from pristine beaches and rugged coastlines to majestic mountains and lush rainforests. One of the best ways to experience New Zealand is by traveling. The country offers a wide range of activities for visitors of all ages and interests. For example, on the North Island, one popular destination is the Bay of Islands, known for its crystal clear waters and abundance of marine life. Visitors can go on boat tours to see dolphins and whales, or try their hand at fishing or diving. Another must-see destination on the North Island is Rotorua, which is famous for its geothermal activity. Visitors can take a dip in one of the many hot springs or geysers, or explore the geothermal parks to learn about the unique geology of the area. The South Island is home to many natural wonders as well, including the Southern Alps, which are perfect for skiing and snowboarding in the winter and hiking and climbing in the summer. Another popular destination is Milford Sound, a beautiful fjord surrounded by steep cliffs and cascading waterfalls. Visitors can take boat cruises to see the stunning scenery up close. In addition to its natural beauty, New Zealand is also known for its friendly and welcoming people, as well as its rich Maori culture. Visitors can learn about the Maori people and their customs by visiting a maura, a traditional Maori meeting place, or attending a cultural performance. One good way to explore the Maori culture is to attend a traditional hani, a cooking method where food is placed in a pit oven. This meal is usually had at special events and is a great way to understand the Maori cuisine and customs. New Zealand also offers a variety of adventure activities like bungee jumping, zip lining, skydiving, and many more. These activities are a great way to experience the thrill and adrenaline rush. For nature enthusiasts, the country offers many national parks and hiking trails, from easy walks to challenging hikes, providing the opportunity to explore New Zealand's varied wilderness. Overall, New Zealand is a perfect destination for travelers of all ages and interests, offering a wide range of activities and experiences. If you are planning a trip to New Zealand, be sure to visit some of these popular destinations, such as the Bay of Islands, Rotorua, Southern Alps, Milford Sound, and immerse yourself in the country's stunning landscapes, rich culture, and unparalleled natural beauty. It is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity that should not be missed. New Zealand is also known for its rich history, which can be explored through its many museums and historical sites. For example, the Waitangi Treaty Grounds in the Bay of Islands is the site where the Treaty of Waitangi was signed in 1840, which established British sovereignty over New Zealand and recognized the rights of the Maori people. Visitors can learn about the history of the treaty and its impact on the country through guided tours and interactive exhibits. The country's cities also offer plenty of attractions and activities for visitors. In Auckland, the largest city in New Zealand, visitors can enjoy a wide range of activities, such as taking a ferry to one of the many nearby islands, visiting the Sky Tower, the tallest freestanding structure in the Southern Hemisphere, or exploring the many art galleries and museums. The city of Wellington, located at the southern tip of the North Island, offers many cultural and entertainment options, such as visiting the Te Papa, the National Museum of New Zealand, which offers exhibitions of Maori culture and contemporary art, or take a cable car to the Botanic Gardens and enjoy the panoramic view of the city. For those looking for a more secluded and off-the-beaten-path experience, New Zealand's smaller towns and villages offer a more laid-back and intimate atmosphere. Places like Raglan, a small coastal town known for its surf culture, and Wanaka, a picturesque alpine village, provide the opportunity to escape the hustle and bustle of city life and enjoy the natural beauty of New Zealand at a slower pace. In conclusion, New Zealand is a country that has something to offer for every traveler, with a diverse range of landscapes, cultures, and activities to suit any interest. Whether you are looking for adventure, culture, or relaxation, New Zealand has it all. With so much to see and do, it's no wonder that it's considered one of the most beautiful countries in the world, and a must-see destination for any traveler. Thank you! Learn English with us easily and fun. Support us and subscribe to our channel. Give likes and write comments. Watch new videos on our channel every day. See you soon and bye-bye!